Okay, so let's continue with our next SQL question, number 178 rank scores. And it is very much similar to the last two questions which we have done. And this is also the medium category. And this is also asked in the Amazon interview. So the question is, we have one table called scores given. Right, so one is ID, one is score. Some scores are given. Scores are the floating point value because it's a decimal type. We need to write a solution, basically write a SQL query to find the rank of the scores, right? So as soon as they mention find the rank, so either we need to use rank function, either we need to use like dense rank function, we will figure it out. Write a function to find the rank of the scores. The ranking should be calculated according to the following rules. The score should be ranked from the highest to the lowest. If there is a tie between two scores, both should have the same ranking. So like if you follow this rule, if there is a tie between two scores, both should have the same ranking. So irrespective of rank and dense rank, both will follow this one, right? Because rank will skip some numbers, but if there is a tie, it is going to allocate the same rank. Same with the dense rank. After a tie, the next ranking number should be the next consecutive integer value. So which means you can't use the rank function because they said after a tie, when there is a tie, so 2 come, the next should be 3. It should not be 4. All right, as we see in the last video, if we use rank function gives some ranking, which is okay, but it skips some records. Skip not records, but the number, ranking number. So here they said the rule is the next number should be in the consecutive integer, right? So we need to use the dense rank along with that return the result ordered by score in the descending order. Very simple. So we have a one table scores, right? So some scores are of same value like second 3.65, 3.65. So if so what I need. So let's see the output. I need the score. I need the rank. So what I need? I need the score, right? Uh, I need this score column. I need the rank, and either I should use rank or I should use a dense rank. But as per the conditions, they mention it should like the next number should be the consecutive integer. If you use rank, it is not going to be work. So let me show you. So rank and the rank function will take over on which column you need to implement the rank order by score and descending order, right? And let's run that. So here, 411 3.85, it should give 2, but it is skipping number, right? It is skipping number, but it they have mentioned the next ranking. So we, in case of a tie, so 4 is same, right? In case of a tie, we should give the same ranking, which is fine. We give the same ranking, but the next number should be the consecutive. It should be 2, right? So that's why we can't use the rank because the rank will skip some number. So we will use the dense rank. So let's try the dense rank. All right. So now for 1, then we are not skipping the number 2. If it is tie 3, then 4. Then we need to return the result table ordered by score. So order by order by score, right? And here the column should be name as rank. So dense rank as rank. And if you run this, yeah, it's working. So let's try that. So let's try some sample cases first. Okay, so something is wrong. Hmm, Oh, order by score, descending order. Sorry, because they have mentioned descending. Yeah. Now let's try to submit it. See, all the test cases has been passed. All the 11 test cases has passed. So see, if we just like learn a very simple concept of rank, dense rank, uh, that concept is going to be used in multiple questions, and definitely it is going to be asked in like interview. Yeah, so that's it. That's the end of the video. You can also give it a try. Thank you.